YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Sally and I finally made it down to a Toronto Foxbody Club Mustang Meet. It's our first one for the year, so we're going to walk around and see what's here. We're gonna run the row here. A lot of nice foxes. Hey, get out of my way. Got your package in the works. Mr. Sean's car.
Glenn and I were screwing up like our 3 times, and I threw my lap time like crazy.
Hey, what's going on, brother?
How much? Like my front grip,
pulls,
rear grip,
wild beast.
just everywhere. Like I just couldn't get it to hook in the rear. Like I could, but it would push real tight.
I have a beat. No, I don't want to. I cannot get any faster on it.
Oh, because well, no, these like get rid of
crazy gauges.
Oh, not really. I'll have to find the link and I'll send it.
The only way for me to get more caster, I actually have to physically move the strut out to get more caster. Otherwise, I'd have to switch over the coil over. You offset it. I'm okay.
My big mod is
Nice little black coupe here.
Oh, my job there.
It's too close to winter. There's too much uncertainty with work.
Rob's car. Looks nice.
So I'm just gonna do another.
But it'll still be available.
Oh yeah. So I told him I'm going to get them.
It's convertible. Nelson's convertible.
I know.
You guys just went all quiet. What happened? Hey?
You got a new hobby or?
How you doing?
How you doing?
Oh, you know, who do you think does all the videos for him? He does the edit.
I find if I don't wear these to shoot.
Nice foxes. Nice row of foxes here.
Look at your perfect entry. Hey, Mikey?
How are you?
On the extension.
There's a reason not to bring
You
them.
got this.
Oh, you can't come into it.
I can't put them on. I think you're right. It's so much bigger than that's so common too. My buddy changed it. My buddy changed it the same thing. Just puts the hood on, painted it, fucking love it. He calls me like crazy. Man, you don't want to know what I said. I was like, it's almost like what? I'm glad I didn't crash the car. Ah, thank God, man. Shit, that's a scary thing.
This is nice. Hey, who are you? There's an 85 RS. It's pretty cool. I see these every day. Pretty cool. Mr. Paulo here. Hey, Paulo.
How are you?
Good. How about you? I like the hat. Let me see the hat. All right, now we're talking.
There, I told you it was sporting it. I had a feeling when he asked if you were going to come by, I go, I'm going to wear the hat. It's going to make Paul come by.
This is the row of 4 eyes over here. Beautiful. All three of these beautiful cars. On 3 turbo. For a little setup. 88mm precision.
Yeah.
Love the plate of this car. Got lunch money. Beautiful cars. Getting a little dark, but we'll get some footage in. Beautiful sky. See the sky.
This is our old reef.
That's it for this video, guys. I ended up getting sidetracked, chatting with the owner of the Reef Coupe. Super nice guy. Car looked awesome. It's been 4 years plus since I last saw the coupe, so it was nice to see. That said, you guys know what to do. Give the video a like, drop in a comment, smash the subscribe button. You know we appreciate you guys watching our videos, and we'll see you again here on DaFox.